Caro's family is out there. Did you see them? Caro! Caro! Come on, Mama! Caro! Come here, Mama! Come on, come on! Caro! Come see Mama! Hey! Hey, come here! Come! Kaifi! Caro, I see your family out there. Your family's over there, honey. Come here, Mama. Come on. Kaifi, you see Mama? Hi. Hi. Hi, Mama. Caro, I saw your family there. What do you think, sweetie? Huh? Oh, my lady. Oh, my little lady. Look, there's some more family. There's more family out there, Caro. When you get big, are you going to go see them? What do you think? Caro? What do you think, Mama? You see them? Where are they? Huh? Caro, hey, what do you think, Mama? Where are they? Give kisses? Oh, look, there's another one. You see, he's got a mango in his mouth. Look at them all. So many. They're big, Caro. Oh, Caro, look at them. They're big, Mama, huh? Wanna jump up here and see? Jump up here and see. You want to stay with Mama, huh? Okay, you sit with me. Mama, look at them. They're taking the mangoes. Mangoes are starting to get ripe slowly but surely. But there's not many ripe ones yet. Oh, Mama, you sitting on my shoulder? Yeah. Hey, come. Oh, what are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? So, blessed day, everybody. It's a hot one, and there's lots of monkeys around. I see some over there, too. They're coming to get the mangoes. All right, blessings, everyone. Have a good day. Love and light from Karo and I. No monkey business, huh? Seen?